Doing it tonight. And, the concern tonight is that with those clouds in the sky, they're going to start producing some freezing drizzle later this evening and overnight tonight, which could lead to some icy spots. So as we look for what's ahead, patchy freezing drizzle tonight and also early tomorrow morning, which could lead to some trouble spots. And then we have 2 snow chances in the week ahead, too. First one on Thursday, and then Friday night into Saturday will be the second chance of some snow. Looks like this Saturday snow could be much higher than the one we have on Thursday. And then as we head into the weekend, we've got some really cold air spilling in. Arctic air arrives this weekend, bringing us the coldest air of the entire season. Now, this freezing drizzle for tonight, it looks like it'll probably start between about 6 p.m. and 10 p.m. for the western suburbs and the northern suburbs, and maybe even here in the city. And then if you're to the east and southeast, between about 10 p.m. and 1 a.m. will be the time frame when this freezing drizzle approximately starts. Not going to be terribly heavy, but it may just be enough to put a glaze of ice on some surfaces, which could lead to those icy spots. Now, temperatures are below freezing. We're sitting at 25 at O'Hare, 28 at the lakefront, and 27 at Midway. We're going to hold pretty steady with those temperatures through the night tonight. And if you look to the north here on the satellite radar view, you see these brighter whites to the clouds. That means the clouds are a little bit thicker and they got a little more moisture in them. And as this little disturbance moves right over top of us tonight, it's going to squeeze out some of those raindrops. And as those raindrops fall into the cold air, we're going to get some freezing drizzle to develop. Now, let me show you a futurecast because as you see late this evening and overnight tonight, some of that very light freezing drizzle develops. It will stick around through the morning with temperatures staying in the 20s. And then as we head into the afternoon, most of the precipitation moves off to the east. We'll see slightly drier air in the atmosphere move in. Still going to be cloudy, but temperatures will warm to the low 30s during the afternoon tomorrow. So your forecast for tomorrow will have the threat of patchy freezing drizzle early and then temperatures warming maybe a degree above freezing later in the afternoon under cloudy skies. Today, the high only 27, 23 was our low this morning. Some areas to the south where we've got the thicker snowpack saw temperatures close to 0 early this morning. But here's the disturbance that comes through tonight into tomorrow morning. And then as we head into Wednesday, there'll be another storm system that develops down here to the south. This one could spread some snow into the southern half of the area on Thursday. That's that first chance of snow. Not much here, but we might catch a little bit of snow from the city southward during the morning on Thursday. And then as we head into Friday, we will be dry, but then here's the next storm system that comes our way Friday night into Saturday. And this one, depending on the track of the low, looks like it could spread some heavy snow into our area Friday night and early Saturday morning. And behind this system, we're really going to see the colder air spill in behind it. So as the snow leaves on Saturday, we'll turn on the lake effect machine, and this could be some really heavy lake effect Saturday night into Sunday morning, pointed at first into Illinois and then shifting over into northwest Indiana during the day on Sunday. So you're asking, how much snow could we see? Well, I'm going to show you 2 different models, and really this far out, the models are going to be all over the place with snow accumulations, but you can see the difference here between the GFS and the European, anywhere from 3 to 4 inches to even as much as 7 to 8 inches in parts of the area Friday night into Saturday. So looks like it'll be a sticking snow, that's for sure. We'll just have to see as we get closer to Friday night and Saturday how much we could see. But tonight, patchy freezing drizzle, that's the big concern tonight with some icy spots. Tomorrow, 34 degrees with that freezing drizzle early. We'll be dry on Wednesday with a high of 32. A little light snow to the south on Thursday. Friday, we'll wait for that next storm to come in, which will bring us snow Friday night into Saturday. And then it turns really cold. Temperatures in the 20s and teens and overnight lows in the single digits. Not only will we have the snow, it looks like on Saturday, it's also going to be quite windy. So we'll have some blowing snow concerns on Saturday. You might say with the snow from last Saturday, is it going to be as bad? Mm-hmm. It might even be a little bit worse in many areas too.